Hello and welcome to Friday Flowers. Today we're going to draw something called beard flower. So I'm not going to do a frame right off. I'm just going to get right into the flower. So the first step is this. Okay. And then we're going to mirror that on the other side the best we can. And the important thing about this part of beard flower is that these spirals are as kind of flat as possible. Like they're not angled up. They are, they're pretty flat. So the next step is we're going to put a half moon. And I like to make sure that my half moon is as tall as these. Not exactly. You can see it's kind of off a little bit, but at least partially. I mean, at least as tall. It can be taller, but no shorter. No, not a really flat one or anything like that. So, and then I'm going to mimic this right here. Let's see. So we're going to come out a bit. And then we're going to do some that go a little bit more straight up. I have an easier time thinking about doing those in kind of like a heart shape. So it's okay if they touch a tiny bit. Okay. And so then what you're going to do with each of these is we're going to connect some of these lines. So the line that makes this spiral here, we're just going to take that and kind of draw that out to that line there. And then this outer line, we're going to do the same thing. See, it makes kind of like a scroll look. Sometimes you got to draw that little spiral in. So there we go. Okay. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to connect these and make some petals. So like this. Okay. And then we're going to continue on. Now this one I draw a little bit too close, but all we're going to do there is we're just going to use the Hollywood method and draw it behind. Okay. Now it's not really part of the general step outs, but what I like to do is this. I like to put a line here, color this in, and put a little flame in there. I think that looks cool. Okay. And then we're going to turn this around. Okay. Turn it upside down. And we're going to make little V's like that for kind of like little things that hang off of the end. And like little tiny, tiny, tiny petals. And then okay, you don't have to do these. It's in the step outs, so I decided to do them. So that's basically it for beard flower. The exciting thing about beard flower is kind of how you shade it. And I'm going to shade it a little differently from the step outs. The step outs want you to kind of shade on the edge here and on the edge here and the edge here. And I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of graphite on the ends over here. I'm going to blend that out. And what I can do is I can pull very lightly towards the other side of each puddle, and that makes kind of like a gradient. And I think that for this, that's really pretty. Can you see that on the camera? Make it a little bit darker so you can see. But you're just going to want to kind of get some graphite on your tortillon and then very lightly pull towards that end of that flower, and that'll help you make that gradient. It's really cool. Just be lighter with it at the end. Neat. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to darken these little pieces right here. You don't have to. You could just stop where I stopped if you want to. And I'm making it a little bit darker than I made the outsides here. I did that on purpose. Okay, and then I'm going to color in my little flame. There we go. All right, and that is basically beard flower. And now if you wanted to, you could totally draw a frame. So if you wanted to frame this, let's break up that frame there. You know, we could draw a really quick frame. There we go. Even though I don't think it necessarily needs it, but I do like to frame my flowers, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, and I am going to erase these lines because I don't want them here. The only time I use an eraser, right, in Zentangle, when I'm getting rid of unwanted lines. Alrighty, and that is beard flower.